All right, this is Meteorologist Matthew East, and you clicked onto the Thursday edition of the Carolina weather video. Let's start off with a nice image taken yesterday from our friends up at Grandfather Mountain. And that's a look from Grandfather Mountain down to some of the ridges and the valleys below. Notice some of the fall foliage beginning to show itself as we have now entered the month of October. And we're seeing especially the leaves begin to change up above about 4,500 feet in elevation or so. This is the foliage report from the Foliage Network, and notice we're still very early in the season, nowhere near the peak of the fall foliage season as of yet, but we are seeing some color beginning to show across the Carolinas and especially up in the mountains, again above about 4,500 feet in elevation or so. And if you want to check out the very early fall foliage color, what you need to do is head to the mountains, of course, this weekend, and the weather looks great. Lots of sun, highs in the upper 60s to possibly lower 70s all weekend in the mountains, and very good visibility. So great weather to check out the early season color. Probably still a couple of weeks away from the peak of the color for this season. All right, across the lower 48, nice high pressure area here over the Plain States. The clockwise flow of wind around that high, pushing in this cool, dry air mass into our area. Temperature-wise, the core of the cold air sitting right over the Plain States, widespread 30s there. And actually in the North Carolina mountains, we have some 30s this morning, in the higher spots above 4,000 or 5,000 feet, 30s this morning in places such as the summit of Sugar Mountain. And a lot of the higher elevations of the mountains did see 30s. Piedmont started off the day in the 40s. It was a chilly start to the day, really a very nice start to the day as well if you like autumn weather. The upper air pattern showing a big upper air low sitting over the Great Lakes region. A nice trough associated with that in the east and a ridge over the Rocky Mountain region. At the surface, 2 o'clock this afternoon, lots of sunshine around our area. We're going to be looking at a sunny day today, upper 60s to lower 70s for Piedmont highs. And we'll be able to go through these maps fairly quickly, as there's just not a lot of day-to-day change to talk about. All right, here we are Friday, tomorrow afternoon, 2 in the afternoon, Saturday, 2 in the afternoon, Sunday. Notice not a lot going on across the southeast. Monday and Tuesday. The thing to notice here is another area of high pressure, pretty strong one, nosing into the eastern part of the country, and that'll nose down the eastern side of the mountain. So that'll be a reinforcing push of cool, dry air, it appears, next week. Here we are on Wednesday, that high pressure settling into the mid-Atlantic region. And what the result of all this is for us is simply a lot of sunshine, cool, crisp nighttime temperatures, and pretty mild, very comfortable afternoon temperatures. And just like we're seeing now, a lot of clear sky conditions across the southeast. I think that'll be a common theme as we go throughout the next week. Lots of sun during the daytime, clear sky at night, comfortable afternoons, and cool mornings. All right, that's it for this edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a great Thursday, and God bless.